Welcome to Lesson 9 of the Listen and Learn series from the Christmas Light Academy. Let's talk about tools and gear, the basic equipment you'll want to get started as a Christmas light installer. The good news? You really don't need a ton of stuff to launch. You just need the right setup. Ladder setup. The first thing you'll want is a reliable ladder. A great option for beginners is a Gorilla ladder. It's an A-frame that also converts into an extension ladder, so you can tackle a wide range of homes with just one tool. If you're quoting larger two-story homes, you'll either want a 32-foot extension ladder or access to a boom lift. That extra reach makes those high peaks safe and manageable. Hand tools. Here's what most decorators start with. A solid drill with the right bits for anchors and mounting. A pair of wire cutters. A tool pouch to keep everything organized. A headlamp for those late installs. A box cutter or utility knife. You'll open a lot of boxes during install season. That's it. You don't need a full garage of tools, just the basics to move fast and stay efficient. Safety gear. When you're working on roofs, safety is non-negotiable. One thing we recommend for beginners is a pitch hopper. It gives you added grip and stability on angled roofs and makes navigating slopes much easier. As your business grows, you may also want grip shoes, harnesses, or ladder stabilizers. But for most, the pitch hopper is a game changer right out of the gate. Installation materials. Now, what about the install supplies themselves? That's where things really depend on your install style and the type of surfaces you're decorating. Different jobs require different clips, cords, timers, and connectors. Knowing which ones to use and when comes with training and real-world experience. If you want to master the full process, check out our installer training program. It walks you or your team through every install scenario with videos, safety tips, tool walkthroughs, and more, all inside our mobile app. The link to the training is in the description below. It's the #1 way to learn everything from the ground up and train new installers with confidence. That's it for Lesson 9. In Lesson 10, we'll wrap this series with 10 bonus tips to help you grow your business faster, avoid rookie mistakes, and hit the ground running this season. Let's finish strong.